Hello everyone. So today I'm going to show you how you can add an online store in Wix website, especially in Wix editor. Okay, so just place your cursor the leftmost part of the screen, just like this one. Click add section and go to store. Click it and you will choose one from these options. Okay, let's say that uh, you have this kind of store. Okay, from there you can edit its contents. Okay, like this one. So uh, if you would like to change the image, just click it and click the manage products button. Okay, so you can configure it. You can upload your listings from there. Okay, and there you go. You can also add other information from your online store. Okay, so if you have an existing store, you can click or link it to this website. Okay, so you can even uh, change the location of this section from anywhere on your page. Okay, so let's say that your store is right above your contact information. Oh no, okay, I find it difficult to place, but I'll surely manage. Okay, please wait for a while. Yep, oh no, okay, so it's placed slightly above the contact information. Okay, just like that. Okay, you can do the same on this page, on this section right here. Okay, okay, a little more. Okay, so there you go. So that is how you are going to add an online store in Wix website editor. Okay, uh, so this is also editable. Okay, you can manage the products. Okay, so if you do like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much.